Alright, I think I got the strap figured out for the head-mounted camera. We're going to try the Piper Mini again. This time from the ground, I think. This is the Guillows Piper Super Cub. That kind of flew last time, but not really. He got the most views though, so let's try it again. Oh, well, I don't know what happened there. I kind of just wanted to, oh, you know what? It's probably power. A little too much power. Let's try that again. No, wants a snap roll. Should we throw it again? Yeah, why not? What good is it if it doesn't fly? Hey, look at that. It just didn't like the ground. What? It sure took a beating. It's not trying to snap roll now. Sorry about the sun. It is probably too windy. That might be part of it. So definitely hand launch it if you build one of these. Get back here. It's a little squirrely.
Remaining 4 minutes.
Takes a lot of rudder input to get it to turn. But I just have Scotch tape hinges. Use hinge tape and it'll probably not do that so bad. It likes to dive. Well, that's hands off right there. Crazy. Don't fly over the pits. Oh well. Yeah, it flies. Pretty nice. I'll quit talking. It's really quiet. I wouldn't recommend this for a beginner plane. It's kind of a handful at a higher power, but at this low power, it's pretty doable.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Yeah, it handles pretty good at the low power setting. I think it's a little too much motor. That's probably why. Oh, get back here. Well, let's see if we can land it. Since we didn't destroy it, I'm surprised. It's pretty tough. Spoke too soon. Doesn't want to come down. Let's go around. I'm glad to see it fly. It's been sitting a long time. Hey, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for whatever we build next. Oh! Ah. See what I mean? It likes to snap roll. Well, we knocked the firewall loose. Looks like our window's a little loose. We could have done that on the first 2 flights. I just probably didn't notice. But yeah, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Definitely a little too windy for this little guy. That's too bad, but we'll fix it.